World Wetlands Day, observed annually on 2nd February since 1997, aims to raise global awareness about the vital role of wetlands, which apart from contributing to biodiversity, also help in mitigation of climate impact and availability of fresh water. This day also marks the date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on 2nd February 1971 in the Iranian city of Ramsar. 2nd February 2022 is the first year that World Wetlands Day will be observed as a United Nations International Day following its adoption in the General Assembly on 30th August 2021 in a resolution co-sponsored by 75 member states. The theme for the 2022 edition is Wetlands Action for People and Nature, and it highlights the importance of actions that ensure that wetlands are conserved and sustainably used. It's an appeal to invest financial, human and political capital to save world's wetlands from disappearing and to restore those we have degraded.